Hey everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today I'm going to show you how to insert your SIM card and SD card into the Huawei P Smart. So once again, a massive thank you to Vodafone who have supplied me with this device to review. So this is their nano SIM that we're going to be using. You can also use a micro SD up to 256 gigabytes, which will give you a great amount of storage. So this device either comes in 32 or 64 gigabyte internal storage, and with that 256 on top, you're going to have a massive amount of storage, which is absolutely great. Also, we do have our SIM tool here, so please try and use this. That does come provided with our device. Make sure your device is powered off, as mine is here, and if you look down the left hand side of the device, you're going to find your SIM tray. So it's just up here to the top. What you need to do is use your tool to then get this out. So use your SIM tool here and push straight down, and your tray should pop up like this does here. So just grab your tray. I'm just going to flip it around this way so you can see what the tray looks like when coming out. So here is your tray. I just want to point out the tray is quite weak and flimsy, so please be very careful with your tray here. So first of all, we're going to add our SD card. So your SD card will sit in here like so. Then with your nano SIM card, so if we just line this up here. So this is how it should look. And return back to our device. Make sure you line this up correctly. Just put a fingernail down on that one just so it gets in. Again, on the SIM card, just hold it down on the SD card. There we go. Then using the button on the right hand side, power back on. So once on your lock screen here, you can see you've got the Vodafone UK, you've got some signal bars. Then if we go into settings, tap on settings, then find storage. So inside here, you've got your internal storage, then you've got your SD card storage here as well, ready to use, and this will give you extra storage. Like I said, you can use 256 gigabytes, which will give you a massive amount of storage for movies, TV shows, music, whatever you want to store on your device. I hope this helped, and please leave a comment down below if you need any help at all. I'll be more than happy to help. Remember, please give the video a thumbs up as it does help, and remember to subscribe to Tech Talk as well to stay updated with all our latest news, reviews and unboxings. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.